All right, let's get you in there. We have this here hole in the back here. We'll have to get that taken care of. But that's this side, it's the passenger side, and we've taken down our cover for our rocker panels. Rocker panel looks pretty good up to this point. Then it's not so good. Pretty rough. That's okay, we can fix that up. We'll put another piece of half a rocker in it. So yeah, you got a pretty big gaping hole there underneath the passenger side door. So I have new rocker. We'll cut out from here. Anyways, you'll see we'll cut out from here to there, weld her up, and we'll see what the other side looks like, but I'll do one side at a time. I'm going to cover the plastic cover under here so it doesn't get melted with the welder, because up front there does not want to let go from the fender, so we're not going to push our luck. But we'll get some patches in here. It'll be good to go. This is the underneath of the car, so a couple of patches keep you going for a bit. Well, there's some Subaru glitter, but yeah, our little holes are starting to show us what we're really all about. Here, under here, there's basically nothing left. Yeah, basically nothing left. And then rocker here, it's not looking the best as we can see. Well, there it is on the floor, so you can see that. Yeah. And then, since we took the look there and then behind, there's nothing underneath there anymore, underneath the plastics. But not that we can't fix it. We can fix just about anything, I'm sure of that. But, you know, getting into it a little bit more, it's more than just a little patch. Like, this whole dog leg is gone. So, whole dog leg is gone. This corner, she's rough. Very clean interior though, that's for sure. I'm scared to even get inside of it. Well, it always looks worse, of course, before it starts looking better. So there's nothing there. But we'll get her fixed up. Well, everything's still there. It just looks like that. Yeah. Have you know, the same thing going on. Basically, the dog leg stayed a little bit better on this side. But there's our Subaru dust there, so. But I mean, not too bad. The car's at 8 or something, so it's pretty old for around here. But we're doing it, so we'll get it done. We have our new parts rockers, fresh off of. I just usually bend one big rocker, and then I have it for our patches like this. So cut out all our rot. Get our rot cut out as we're going here, and then we'll get our new stuff welded in. We'll weld in all our new stuff here. We cut out our rot there. Already, well, quite a bit of the rocker is into there. So yeah, we're replacing that stuff with the new steel here. So do one side at a time. This side is not done yet. Just put this up so we didn't have anything to trip on. We'll have to fill up in there. Still quite a bit of work to go, but we'll get her done, as they say. there for a minute. We got our wheels off. Safe and sound there in the spray boot. Coming up and just fitting it up. We're fitting up our steel and everything first. I like to fit it all, and then it's done. Then it's time to weld. So that's what we do. Well, there we go. It's smoky in here, but there's new metal going in so far. And get it all dressed up. No metal along the bottom. In there. I'll weld it up. Getting it all dressed up soon. There you go. So far we went from nothing like this. There's nothing. To a new steel inner. Patched up so far. Down here. Get it all cleaned up. So, new steel all in there. We have something in there. We're getting down here. All new steel in there. Now we'll work at the back here. Get some steel in there. Get some new steel in there. Well, here we go. We have new steel welded in, of course, right here. Even made ourselves a new eye around here somewhere. So yeah, anyways, gotta clean her up, and we're getting welded up. And now look, you can't see the floor no more. So we're getting somewheres. We'll get all welded up. We'll get all cleaned up and get our plastic back on. Another minute yet, but hey, that's good for right now. Think it's coffee time. All the tools we have out. But yeah, we got all of our steel all patched in, getting it cleaned up, and putting our plastics back on and everything. There you go. We're all cleaned up. Can't see the floor no more. The holes are all patched in it. Cleaned up all around here. All cleaned up. Welded in, new steel. On this side. No more holes in it. All cleaned up. Plastics back together. We have an edge back on it. So we're looking pretty good. All cleaned up in there. Looking good. Looking good. So here we have it, guys. No more holes there. They're all cleaned up, all sealed up. Got our inner fender back in, all cleaned up. Rockers all on, everything's holding together as it's supposed to. And we're nice and solid all again. Well, that's you, John Wayne. We're all back in, nice and tight, all down through, nice and tight. Holes are gone. We're all solid again. Unfortunately, it came without an inner fender on this side. But here we are, we're putting our rims back on, our wheels, and we'll torque them up next with our torque wrench, and we're out of here. We're back in top shape here. Got wheel well in there now. Looking good. There we are. Moldings are back on. Holes are gone. I think we're top shape again. Everything's sealed up in there, so it shouldn't be getting wet inside anymore. Just very nice. I am in extremely dirty clothes, so I don't want to even pull it out. This is a really nice clean car inside.